Hey, welcome to Homework Help Week 9, Day 2. In the first problem, we have to find the surface area of this pyramid. And notice it's a pyramid with a triangular base right here. So that's called a triangular pyramid. Now, just so you know what they look like, you have a base, which I'm going to highlight in yellow, and it's surrounded by 3 triangles. That's the net of a triangular pyramid. So I have to find the area of the base and the 3 triangles. Now the good news is the 3 triangles going around it will all be the same, but the base is going to be different. So I'm going to start with finding the area of the base. Now the thing that makes these a pain is they are all triangles. So when I look at that base, which I have highlighted in yellow down here, right there. So I need to find, remember it's half times the base. Now the base right here is going to be 8 because I see this is 8, this is 8, that means they're all 8. So my base is 8, and my height is going to be right here, which, see the 6.9 pointing to it? So my height is 6.9. So I have to type in half times 8 times 6.9. And if you do that, I'm doing it right now, you get 27.6. So my base has an area of 27.6. Now let me erase my mess there, and I need to find the area of one of, they're called lateral faces, lateral triangles. So I will highlight it in blue. So I need to find the area of, let's say, this triangle. Now my base is right here. We already know the base is 8. So it's going to be half times 8. Now what we need is the height, and the height is going to be right here. And that's also 8 because you see how it's pointing to it right there? So it's half times 8 times 8. And if you type that in, or I know half of 8 is 4, and 4 times 8 is 32, that area is 32. So each of these lateral faces has an area of 32 square inches. So I just need to add up 32, 32, 32, and 27.6. Now what I actually type on my calculator is I type in 32 times 3, because there's 3 of them, plus 27.6. And if I do that, I get 123.6. So that means my total surface area equals 23.6 square inches. All right, that one was a tricky one, so it took a little bit of time. Let's go down to the bottom one where it says find the interquartile range of these numbers. Now I already put them in least to greatest order to save myself some time. Now remember, interquartile range, IQR, is the third quartile minus the first quartile. So if we can just find the third and first quartile, we're golden. So first off, since there's 7, there's 1 in the middle, and that doesn't count for the lower and upper half. So I'm going to put a white box around the lower half of the numbers and a white box around the upper half of the number. And Q1 is the middle of the lower half, and Q3 is the middle of the upper half. So I just have to do Q3 is 39, minus Q1 is 24. And if I do that, I get my interquartile range is 15. All right, that's it. I hope that helped. And if you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks a lot.